You know I'm gonna get it done. The feet. Yeah, I found my dad here at 7 o'clock. I'm trying to wait for this phone call real quick.